I like how we vibing. 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 I like how we vibing.
This video is sponsored by our channel sponsor, which is 015. You can find them on 015.co.za for some premium web hosting from as little as 45 Rand 90 cents. I mean, 45.90. Think about it. That's not a lot. And you will get some premium domains. And I personally would advise you on getting maybe the Supreme or the Executive packs, because it comes with a lot of benefits and a lot more storage. And you can host multiple websites on one package, you know. And this is, since we are talking businesses and growing your businesses, you can actually get your business registered by them. And there's some benefits, you know. You can get a name reservation, company registration, a certificate, income tax number, and you can even get a free.co.za domain if you pick one of the higher packages, or you can get a free QuickBooks subscription for 3 months. For 3 months. Yo, that's nice. You know, that's really, really nice. And if you want a website, they can actually develop a website for you at a very affordable rate of starting from 2,100, excluding VAT, I think. But it's not a lot. Think about it. 2,100. You spend a lot more on other things. But yeah, and once again, executive plans and supreme plans, you literally get free domains. They, for the first year, they are literally out here trying to win you guys over. Anyway, let's continue with the video. Welcome to this week's Friday Fact episode. This week we are talking about virtual CFO. To outsource or not to outsource? That is the question you need to answer as a business owner. What is a virtual CFO? Let's start with the definition of a CFO. A CFO is a chief financial officer, and this is normally a senior executive that is mainly responsible for managing financial affairs of a company. A CFO is responsible for tracking cash, financial planning, while analyzing the company's financial strength and weaknesses, and coming up with plans that can supplement the weaknesses while enhancing the strengths. Now, a virtual CFO is a CFO that is outsourced to the business that cannot afford to have a full-time CFO. So you basically get somebody to be a CFO without paying them the salary of a CFO. The main idea behind this is, like I said, you get a CFO without having to incur heavy payroll costs. CFO tasks and duties. What are these? Financial gap analysis, cash flow budgeting and management, financial decision, profit maximization, risk mitigation and internal controls, positive or post-investment financial management, fundraising services, financial forecast and projections, accounting and audit support, cost structuring, work capital, cycle maximization, financial technology. It's quite a mouthful here, but these are the things that they can take care of. You just need to say, hey, I need you to come and do 1, 2, 3, or we are looking to start fundraising. Can you please assist with 1, 2, 3? And the CFO will come in, or you say we've got we need a system put into place. They will come in, assist you with the system, or you say we have an audit due. Here are the financials. Can you please assist us with the audit support? They will do that. Why does a business need a CFO? I mean, most businesses carry on without a CFO, but why does it need one? When you're looking for growth, once a business starts hitting a ceiling and is unable to grow further and require additional systems, capital, and finance, then a CFO will be required to perform these functions. So they're there to take you to the next level. CFO will also identify new opportunities and transform the business product and market. So basically, you could be finding yourself as a a shoe company and you're looking to become the next Batu. This is how you start saying, yo, I need a CFO. What are they doing? How can we become bigger than Batu? The CFO will come in, look for new opportunities, transform the business, product, and the market, from a financial perspective. A CFO will assist in ensuring that there is a business case for expansion, which can include globalization. Once again, your shoe brand to the world. This is what a CFO does for you. They can literally do that. But you need a good CFO. When the business is starting to look into mergers and acquisition, outside investors, and debt facility. When a business is making preparations for a merger or an acquisition, a team is needed to assess the viability of the acquisition or merger. A CFO is one of the key role players for this process. The CFO will go through the report from the due diligence to meet the company's terms according to the findings. The CFO has the ability to communicate the findings to the potential investor or financiers. When management feels that the company should have a higher profit levels, but they don't know how they haven't achieved those profit levels. So you've literally hit the ceiling. Tax planning. Interpret changes in the law that may potentially lead to financial benefits. Like, remember in the Forex video I was talking about there being a decrease in the company's tax come 2023. This is one of the benefits that they would be able to say, look, we are going to have a 1% decrease here. We can maybe do 1, 2, 3 when this comes into effect. That's what they can do from a tax planning perspective. And they can improve the company's tax position. You see? They can make you pay less tax, really, by also hiring the necessary skills. But ultimately, they are responsible for overseeing it. I hope you have an understanding of what a CFO is and what they do and why you might need one. You don't necessarily have to get it for all of those. You can get it for 1 or 2 of those. And thank you. Please don't forget to check us out on our social media platforms and our website. Twitter, the Clinic ZA, Instagram, the Compliance Clinic. Our website, our website is www.mcponline.co.za. I hope we are all on the same page. And yeah, peace, love, and prosperity.